Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak Fizz and Bubbles. This is their White Peach Hibiscus Bath Bomb, and it is so pretty. It has some soap embeds on top and a paper straw coming out of it. And it really does smell like peaches. It smells so good. And it wasn't long that I started seeing a vibrant pink color in the water, which was surprising. I thought it was going to be all orange. And you'll see a couple splashes in the background. Raylan was throwing her fish in the bathtub, her little toy fish. So I lifted it up, and there's lots of little areas where color's hidden in there. I found that to be the case for a lot of their bath bombs. You might think they're going to be one color, but then there's hidden colors inside. So they're always really fun to watch. And I saw they released all their autumn products and everything is sold out. So hopefully they'll be restocking that because there were some pretty cool ones on there that I was interested in trying. And there's some more fish. Raylan she won't stop. She doesn't care that I'm trying to do something. She has to throw her fish in. If she knows she's taking the bath, then she puts all of her toys in there. So once it got done dissolving, I felt around for the soap embed. I wanted to rescue that so it didn't all dissolve so I could use it. Really cute. And the water was a beautiful color. If you're interested in trying anything from this company, they have some really reasonably priced bath bombs and they're gorgeous. They do a great job with them. Check out my playlist if you want to see more. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.